Okay, next question of example number 2, that is example number 3, 2.3. Example 2.3, that is a force of 10.5 Newton acts on a particle. It means what? A force of 10.5 Newton acts on a particle along a direction. Making an angle of 37 degree with the vertical. Find the component of the force in the vertical direction. Solve it. Solve by Om. Okay. Question says that a force of 10.5 Newton acts on a particle along a direction making an angle 37 degree with the vertical. Then find the component of the force in the vertical direction. So we studied in the previous lecture that horizontal and vertical direction comprises the cos 37 degree, and it becomes, or the value is 4 by 5, and it is also equal to sine 53 degree. So first some knowledge note. NOTE, that cos of 37 degree is equal to sine of 53 degree. Yes, and it becomes 4 by 5, and cos of 53 degree and sine of 37 degree is equal to 3 by 4. So now use this value to this question. It is given that force of 10.5 Newton acts on a particle along a direction making angle 37 degree with the vertical. Okay. Horizontal and vertical 90 degree, perpendicular and vertical direction like this. So, but here is force on a particle or a box like this along direction 37 degree with the vertical. So vertically force exerts force and making an angle 37 degree with the vertical. So if force like this and theta is equal to what? That is vertical and called an normal. So vertical is 37 degree. Okay, cos 37 degree. Theta is not cos 37. Theta is 37 degree. So here, by resolving this force to this normal, it becomes f cos 37 degree. So we use cos 37 value, that is 4 by 5 in this question. So find the component of the force in the vertical direction So we find perpendicular, that is vertical, force perpendicular or vertical direction, that is F cos what? 37 degree. F cos 37 degree, and it becomes 10.5 Newton into cos 37, that is 4 by 5. Cos 37 is equal to 4 by 5, and it can be solved, that is 2.1 into 4 and 8.4 Newton. 8.4 Newton or 8.40. You can also write 8.40 Newton. So this can be solved, but using these values, or you have to remember this. It is very important values, so note it.